Meaning of family planning.
Family planning.
Family planning.
Family planning.
Family planning. Family planning refers to a set of practices that allow individuals to control the number and timing of their children. It involves the use of contraception, education on reproductive health, and access to healthcare services. The ultimate goal of family planning is to improve the overall health and well-being of individuals and communities by preventing unintended pregnancies, reducing maternal and infant mortality rates, and promoting gender equality. Through effective family planning, individuals and families are able to make informed decisions about their reproductive health and achieve their desired family size.